Hello, everyone. 90% of AI startups fail. 95% of crypto ventures vanish. But did you know that laundromats have a 95% success rate? In 2026, the boring businesses are the ones quietly minting millionaires. Meet Omar. He doesn't write code, he washes clothes. Omar's laundromat generates $20,000 a month in profit. With 90% repeat customers and minimal staff, it's not just a business, it's an automated cash machine. Next, the car wash. In 2026, car washes are a $37 billion industry. By using AI-driven tunnel systems and subscription models, owners like Omar see 20% to 35% annual returns. Everyone has to wash their car, it's Amazon proof. Finally, the silent salesperson. A single vending machine earns up to $650 a month in high-traffic spots. Omar owns 20. He works 2 days a week restocking, while the machines collect passive income 24/7. The world celebrates unicorns, but the data celebrates the boring owner. These businesses offer stable cash flow, tax benefits like bonus depreciation, and a path to freedom without the 80-hour work week. Ready to start your own boring empire? Subscribe to Business World Money and Wealth for the step-by-step guides on finding your first location.